Okay, so same sort of situation here. We're asked to multiply, okay? And in doing so, we want to just go through a series of factorings of these expressions in order to accomplish some cancellation. So what we're going to do first is we're going to rewrite the the 8 minus x. There is nothing we want to do with it right now, but we shall soon see that we will need to change it as well, okay? But I can, however, factor this numerator into x plus 9 times x plus 8, okay? Might want to go back and view some of the previous videos I have where we factor trinomials with leading coefficients of 1. Okay. This bottom binomial is what we call a difference of two squares. And I will factor it by taking the identical factors used to multiply together to get x squared, identical factors used to multiply together to get 64, and use those in the factorization. So I'm going to place the two x's here, the two 8's here, and we always can use minus plus. All right. So I want to draw your attention to these two expressions here. Let me change the colors real quick, okay? I do remember talking about this technique in a previous video. And so let me just bring them out here just so we can highlight them, okay? If I look at x minus 8, 8 minus x and x minus 8, they look very similar. And as you can really guess, we want to be able to cancel those out like we're going to do with the x plus 9s here and the x plus 8s. But they've got to be identical. So whenever you have a situation like this, you can manipulate one of them to make it look like the other, okay? And that will involve me taking this expression, factoring out a negative 1, and then that will have the signs to change. So whereas this 8 right now is positive, when I factor out a negative 1, the 8 becomes negative. And right now, currently, the x is negative, but factoring out a negative 1 will make it become positive. So 8 minus x is actually negative 1 times x minus 8. And you can go back and use the distributive property to indeed verify that. So I'm going to replace that right here at the top, negative 1 times x minus 8 over x plus 9 times x plus 9 times x plus 8 all over x minus 8 times x plus 8. And now we can cancel out. Okay, we can cancel out the x minus 8 with the x minus 8, the x plus 9 with the x plus 9, the x plus 8 with the x plus 8, and voila, we're only left here with the final answer of negative 1.